So a couple days ago, I was flying, and flying, it's expensive, and it's just kind of a pain. You don't like to do it. It's not fun. It's something you have to do, and it's just such a scam. But it's always like, maybe I can get some food out of it. It's never very good food, and I mean, just what they give you is absolutely outrageous. It's outrageous the stuff they give you for how much you're paying. I mean, and it's outrageous. It's outrageous. And you know what? I'm not gonna take it anymore. It's outrageous what they're giving us. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Look at these pretzels. Look at these. This is what I get for flying on a plane. Look at these. Look at them. They're probably not even good pretzels. Look at this. It's ridiculous. Not even good. And I don't have a bag right there. Are you kidding me right now? Are you? No, I'm like, you get a complimentary beverage. How about you wash that down with your complimentary beverage? Are you kidding me? Oh, but it gets better because then you get your complimentary peanuts. Look at that bag of peanuts. Are you looking at this? How do you even open this thing? Oh! There we go. Oh, look at these peanuts. These look delicious. Oh, come on. Oh! I paid $500 for that seat. Oh, at least you got Wi-Fi on the plane. $8 for Wi-Fi? Are you kidding me? I'm not gonna take it anymore.